Connection to me is the foundation of life.
The project Derby Junction in Ansonia was a rebuild of existing steel lattice towers into single and double circuit monopoles. These structures were approximately 100 years old. When one piece of the grid is weak, it can potentially weaken the entire grid.
It's the most important thing for a business like this to have reliable power.
So it's very critical that people coming into this community see that they have access to safe power.
Those lines are carrying the electricity from the generating stations, feeding the substations, stepping it down to their needs that they have at their homes or businesses. It was about 4.1 miles in length from Derby Junction in Shelton out to Ansonia substation in Ansonia. You're looking between the substations involved with this project, you're looking around 40,000 plus customers.
Without having reliable electric, if anything went down, our beer would be destroyed. The yeast that we're working on have to be chilled, have to be kept at certain temperatures for the fermentation.
People decide where they're going to live, partly on the quality of life. Or maybe I will invest a business here or transfer a business here.
I'm born and raised in the Valley from Shelton. My family's been here since the 40s. We have a lot of history in the Valley, so I wanted to be here. And my wife works here, my kids work here.
Getting jobs here means getting power here. We have several developments that are going to take major amounts of power.
Either connected to the grid or connected to the community. That sets you up for success.